What's up, Top Tech Tools family? Prime Day just dropped, and I found 20 incredible woodworking tools with serious discounts. Let's dive in. First up, the Crescent 44-inch indexing deck removal bull bot. This just dropped from $70 down to $57.50. That's $12.50 off, or about 18% savings. Now, I used this extensively during my deck renovation last spring, and what makes this special isn't just the 44-inch length, it's those indexing positions you see here. These notches let you adjust your leverage angle for maximum efficiency, which means less back strain and faster board removal. I timed myself removing deck boards with this versus a standard pry bar, and this cut my demo time by almost 40%. The curved end grips under nails perfectly, and that extra length gives you serious leverage without destroying the substructure underneath. Next, the Pony Cabinet Claw, down from $20 to $16, saving you $4 or 20% off. This little tool saved me hundreds of dollars during my kitchen renovation. The dual angle design lets you slip between cabinets and walls without switching tools. See how it works from multiple directions? I removed 12 upper cabinets with this, and not a single one got damaged. When you're dealing with expensive cabinetry, this tool pays for itself immediately. Now this deal is absolutely insane. The RUITOOL Japanese handsaw, originally $26, now just $10. That's a massive 62% discount, saving you $16. Japanese saws cut on the pole stroke, which gives you incredible control. The 6-inch double-edged design has cross-cut teeth on one side, rip teeth on the other. The kerf is so thin, you barely lose any material, and the cut quality is phenomenal. I've been using this for detailed work, and the flexible blade means you can make flush cuts that are impossible with rigid Western saws. At $10, this is honestly stealing. The Goingmake adjustable angle track saw square dropped from $60 to $43.90. That's $16.10 off, or 27% savings. What makes this special is the micro adjustment system. These precision screws let you dial in angles to within 0.1 degrees. I used this for a hexagonal planner project, and every single miter joint was perfect. The aluminum construction stays true even under cutting pressure, and these locking mechanisms hold position no matter how much force you apply. This isn't just measuring, it's precision cutting guidance. The Kreg cabinet door mounting jig, originally $34, now just $19. That's a huge 44% discount, saving you $15. Cabinet doors are notorious for alignment issues, but this jig eliminates all the guesswork. The built-in spacers ensure consistent gaps, and the drill guides prevent blowout every time. I installed 24 cabinet doors using this jig, and every single one aligned perfectly. No adjustments, no shimming, just professional results. The time savings alone justify the cost, but at this price, it's a no-brainer. The Xfassen double-sided woodworking tape, down from $37 to $29.60, saving $7.40 or 20% off. This isn't regular double-sided tape. The adhesive is specifically formulated for wood, providing incredible holding power without leaving residue. I've used this for template work, and it holds securely through routing operations. But here's the magic. It removes cleanly without damaging the wood surface. No solvents, no scraping, just clean removal. For temporary assemblies and jigs, this is invaluable. The Products GuidePRO GP5. Reduced from $80 to $63.60, saving you $16.40 or 21% off. This is the ultimate crosscut guide system. Perfect crosscuts are fundamental to good woodworking, and this system delivers them consistently. The micro adjustment feature lets you dial in exact lengths, and the built-in stop system ensures repeatable cuts. I've used this for everything from picture frames to furniture components. Every cut is perfectly square, perfectly sized, and tear out free. The time savings on any project with multiple crosscuts is enormous. The Wentals corner clamps. 4-piece set down from $70 to $44, saving you $26 or 37% off. These aren't just clamps, they're assembly systems. They hold perfect 90-degree angles while applying pressure, and the adjustable design works with material from 1/4 inch to 1.5 inches thick. Traditional corner clamping requires multiple clamps and often results in misalignment. These solve both problems simultaneously. I've used them for picture frames, cabinet face frames, and box assemblies with perfect results every time. The Saker 4-in-1 Drilling Positioning Ruler, down from $44 to $28.40, saving $15.60 or 36% off. This is a complete positioning system disguised as a ruler. Hole spacing, depth control, angle guidance, and material marking all in one tool. The laser etched markings won't wear off and the aluminum construction stays true. I use this for shelf pinholes in a bookcase project, and every shelf sits perfectly level. Manual marking takes forever and introduces errors. This system ensures consistent, repeatable results. The Saker Carpenter Square Tool, 12-inch 6-in-1 design, down from $40 to $20. That's 50% off, saving you $20. This combines 6 functions into one tool: square, ruler, protractor, saw guide, scribe, and tri-square. The aluminum construction is lightweight but durable, and the laser-etched markings are incredibly precise. I keep this in my tool belt for quick measurements and angle checks. Having all these functions in one tool means less time searching for the right measuring device. The Bora Centipede work table, massive discount here, down from $130 to $70. That's $60 off for 46% savings. This isn't just a work table, it's a complete work system. The folding design means easy storage, but the 1,500-pound capacity handles serious work. The 2x4-foot surface provides plenty of workspace at the perfect height. I've used this for assembly work, finishing stations, and even as an outfeed table for my table saw. The stability is incredible even when fully loaded, and the setup takes less than 2 minutes. The Nitra setup blocks, 15-piece aluminum set, down from $39 to $31, saving $8 or 21% off. These precision machine blocks are essential for router and table saw setup. Consistent setup is crucial for repeatable results, and these blocks eliminate all guesswork. The 15-piece set covers virtually every setup situation, and the aluminum construction means they'll stay accurate forever. I use these constantly for fence positioning and blade height settings. The Nitra Angled Drill Guide Jig, originally $30, now $20, saving $10 or 33% off. This creates perfect 30, 45, and 90-degree holes every time. Angled holes are notoriously difficult to drill freehand, but this jig makes it foolproof. The hardened steel guides prevent bit wandering, and the clamping system holds everything secure during drilling. I've used this for cable railing projects and furniture joinery with perfect results. The Black & Decker Detail Sander, down from $45 to $31, saving $14 or 31% off. This 1.2 amp motor delivers 16,000 OPM for professional results. The triangular pad design gets into corners and tight spaces where larger sanders can't reach. The 3-position grip means comfortable operation from any angle, and the dust collector actually works. I've used this for everything from furniture restoration to cabinet finishing. The quick change paper system means no downtime, and the results are consistently smooth. The Jorgensson Corner Easing Plane, down from $57 to $39, saving $18 or 32% off. This creates perfect rounded edges and chamfers in seconds. Hand sanding rounded edges is inconsistent and time-consuming. This plane creates uniform results instantly. The adjustable depth control lets you dial in exactly the profile you want. Look at this edge, smooth, consistent, and ready for finishing. No sanding marks, no inconsistencies, just professional results. The Rockler Corner Key Doweling Jig, down from $40 to $32, saving $8 or 20% off. This creates incredibly strong corner joints without complex machinery. The self-centering design means perfect alignment every time, and these corner keys add both strength and visual appeal. I've used this for picture frames, boxes, and furniture corners. The joint strength is actually superior to many traditional methods, and the visual effect is really attractive. The Oxer Sharpening Stone with Honing Guide, down from $37 to $29.60, saving $7.40 or 20% off. Sharp tools are everything woodworking, and this system keeps everything razor sharp. The dual grit stone handles everything from repair to polishing, and the Honing Guide ensures consistent angles. Sharp chisels cut cleaner, plain blades work effortlessly, and your overall results improve dramatically. This system makes sharpening foolproof and consistent. The Hoso Neo Ruler Digital Scale Ruler, down from $129 to $100, saving $29 or 22% off. This is literally the future of workshop measurement. Built-in digital calipers, angle measurement, and it stores measurements digitally. The precision is 0.01 inches, more accurate than most workshop machines. I used this for a complex cabinet build with 47 different pieces. The digital memory function meant consistent measurements throughout, and the time savings were incredible. No more pencil marks, no more remeasuring. The woodworking bench vise down from $87 to $63.30, saving $23.70 or 27% off. A good vise transforms your workbench capabilities completely. The hardwood construction matches traditional workbenches, and the smooth operation provides excellent work holding. The jaw faces are replaceable, so this vise will last decades. I've used this for everything from hand planing to detailed carving work. The holding power is incredible, and the smooth operation makes adjustments effortless. Finally, the Houseife bench dog clamp down from $20 to $17, saving $3 or 15% off. These fit standard 3/4-inch dog holes and transform your workbench into a clamping powerhouse. The spring-loaded mechanism means quick setup and release, and the clamping pressure is distributed evenly. This creates infinite clamping positions across your entire workbench surface. Your workbench just became a precision holding system with these simple additions. Those are 20 incredible woodworking tools with serious Prime Day discounts. Prime Day deals don't last forever, so if any of these solve a problem you're facing, grab them now. All links are in the description. Let me know in the comments which tools surprised you most. And don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, keep building.